Hello there. We're going to be trying this Thomas Swirl banana bread. Here's the packaging right here. And here's a piece of the bread. I don't like the smell of it. Kind of get like an artificial banana smell. Okay, let me pull out a little bit, pull off a little bit of the crust. Man, I understand where they're going with the banana.
Very bland.
But
yeah, I mean,
I feel like
put some butter on it and toast it, maybe.
It has too much of that artificial banana flavor over what I'm used to with a banana bread using real bananas.
Oh yeah, it's so much more, yeah, banana-y.
I wouldn't get this again.
I wouldn't either.
I wouldn't recommend it to others. We will probably turn the rest of this into French toast or cinnamon sugar toast, stuff like that. Because as is,
yeah,
it's really boring.
Yeah.
And the flavor is just kind of flat and artificial.
Like I said, maybe adding some butter to it because it shows butter on it in the picture. So maybe adding some butter to it, maybe even toasting it a little, maybe it might bring in the flavors a little more. But
I'll see if I can find a link to this. If I can, I'll put below. If you've ever had Thomas Swirl banana bread, what was your thought? Did you like it? And if you haven't had this before, I would say skip it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.